in court.
Ringre dichuo ma higni 29 mano ogole aora Yala gikone okaw kod Wede. Ringre Nicholas Kiporer Ngetich ma japuonj e Malindi Girls High mayudre Kakamega no okaw kod Wede tok yango ringre mare. Ringre ne noyud Ndanu Falls e aora Yala juma mokalo tok lal kode kod joma okong'e. Kalore kod jal mane gitiyo godo Cornelius Chumba negeno ringre toka picha moluore mbui apisas mar haki kwetu Joshua Otieno oduor okwa piny owacho mondo mi olos chenro matieko wach wito ringre e aora Yala.
We've come to pick the remains of our friend and our colleague, a staff mate, and we are laying him to rest tomorrow. As far as the outcome of the postmortem, which has just been conducted, the preliminary thing is that this guy did not drown. This is not a voluntary caused death. This is somebody who was killed elsewhere and dumped at the river Yala, probably after the body is already decomposed or something like that. That is why it was picked as in bad shape.
And we are appealing to the authorities, especially the security, to beef up, especially around the school and also around river Yala. So I have nothing much to say because we are saddened and heavy in our hearts. It's only that we are happy again about the human rights that are following the case together with the CID and the Kenya police. So we are just appealing for the justice.
My message to the government, most to the the security agencies in Sia County, we are saying that a time has come that they should come out and make sure that the security of the people around Yala, and also to come out very clearly to tell us what is happening here and there again, because we are seeing many of the bodies which are being found in river Yala. They are coming from outside sea.